I'm going to talk to you about the tortillas and how to prep the tortillas for the fabulous fajitas. I'm going to pull out my skillet. My skillet's down here. It's all ready to go. Just used it 2 days ago. I'm going to grab the attachment. I'm going to put it over here on my island and then plug it in. I do my fajitas a little bit unconventionally. There's some different ways to do it. Some people can stick them in the microwave. Sometimes they put a towel around it to keep in the moisture. And some people will stick them. Actually, have a tortilla heater that you can stick in an oven. But personally, or you can do it a lot of different ways. You can do it oven. You can do it on top of your range. Or personally, I like to do mine and almost do it kind of taco style. It's still a fajita, but what I do is I take my tortilla. You can do it. You can just place it on there, let it heat up. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put my condiments and everything inside of my tortilla. I'm going to put it on the skillet, and I'm going to fold it in half like that. Then I'm going to flip them. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do my fajita. And it's really not big enough to fold up so much like a burrito. And so you're going to want to make sure sometimes, too, that you have other utensils like a fork when you're getting ready to eat your fajita, because a lot of times your different things will fall out. And, well, I'm not opposed to using my fingers, but if you're in a fancier place or if you want to impress your girlfriend or your boyfriend, you may want to grab an extra fork so that you can get the stuff that has fallen off your fajita so you can eat that like that.